Hello dear students, welcome to social science class, chapter number 5, continents and oceans. So it is evaluate part, so for class 5th, part 14. In previous part we have completed some evaluate part, question number 1 is completed. And today I am continuing question number 2. Question number 2 is the what are oceans? What are oceans? Now, the answer is there here. An ocean is one large continuous body of water surrounding the continents. See here student, the question is there, what are oceans? Answer, an ocean is one large continuous body of water surrounding the continent. And next see here student, question number 3. Name the deserts. Name the deserts found in Asia, Africa and South America. Okay students, see here. Answer, the deserts are Asia, Africa and South America. See student, the deserts are there here in Asia continent. You know that Gobi Desert. So next one, in Asia only that Arabian Desert. And in Africa continent, Sahara Desert. And in South America, some deserts are there that, see here. So that is Atacama Desert. See student, so there are deserts in some continents that Question number 3 is the name the deserts found in Asia, Africa and South America. The deserts are Asia, Gobi Desert and Arabian Desert. Africa, that is lies in Sahara Desert. In South America, that is in Atacama Desert. So this is question number 3. So next question, continuing I am. See here student, question number 4. Question number 4 is the name the longest and the largest rivers in the world. Okay. Question is the name the longest and largest rivers in the world. See here. The longest river is Nile river, and the largest river it is Amazon river. So the longest river, so which continent it lies? The longest river, it lies in Africa continent, and the largest river is there here, that is Amazon river. So it lies at South America continent. So this these all questions means part C, answer the following in few words are completed here. So once again I repeating these all questions. Question number 1, list all the continents of the world from smallest to largest. Answer is, so the continents of the world from smallest to largest: Australia, Europe, Antarctica, South America, North America, Africa and Asia. Question number 2, what are oceans? An ocean is one large continuous body of water surrounding the continents. So it is known as oceans. Okay. And next question, name the deserts found in Asia, Africa and South America. In Asia continent, the Gobi Desert and Arabian deserts are there. Gobi Desert is the cold desert and Arabian Desert is the hot desert. And in Africa, Sahara Desert, it is very important because it is very largest desert in the world. So in Africa continent, so Sahara Desert is located, and in South America, the Atacama Desert is situated. And last question, name the longest and largest rivers in the world. The longest river is Nile river, and the largest river is the Amazon river. Okay student, the largest river is there, that is a Nile river. In which continent it's located? That in Africa continent. And the largest river, that is Amazon river, it is situated in which continent? In South America. Okay student, part C, answer the following questions in few words are completed here. So you should be write in neat handwriting in your fair book. So after completing your work, you send it my WhatsApp number. Okay, I hope you all are understood this all. Okay, so you write it neatly. And next part, next evaluate part I am continuing in next period. Thank you.